types that we have for you today. And the last is really quite exciting because it's another leather that's beautiful and natural. You can see how big it is. These tables are 6 by 2.5, and this fills the whole of the table, and it's around and about 2 millimeters, 2.4 millimeters in substance, and it's just a wonderful natural material that can be used for belts or heavy bags. It's just so natural. You wouldn't get this sort of leather from any modern tannery. It's leather as it was made probably 100 years ago for various different types of uses, but has developed over the last 50, 60 years, and it developed as a very high performance dog lead leather. But if you want a belt for a relatively substantial individual, which is 6 feet long, then this is the leather for it. And if you can see the grain, it's such a magnificent natural grain with the natural growth marks into it, and it's every piece is a personality in its own right. So this is a wonderful leather, and the price of this is £75. 75. How people, or I usually say, oh, it fell off the back of a cow. But wow, I suppose it did. But in terms of value, the only reason it's at this value is because the company Claytons went into liquidation, and we were able to get the stock and produce these at a relatively low cost, so we can pass that cost on to our customers. So there we have 4 different types of heritage leather, and more to come. But there's a black deer, a au naturel deer, a foiled goatskin, and this wonderful belt come heavy bag leather with its grain that defies description, to be honest. So thank you so very much.